Okay. Hi, Florence. Ano yan? Nakaupong naggigitara? Hey, Jonah. Here we are in the barbecue site. Oh, there is Janet. Janet, how are you there? Is there a fire? Is there a fire? Is there a fire? Oh, too many fire! Get another chopstick! Get another chopstick! Chopstick, chopstick! Sunog na yung kamote!
O ayan, buti naman at maawa yung carport.
2 to 3 minutes kung nanagamin ka.
Tapos na ba yung nag-makeup dyan?
O, ayan mo. Sige na. Lagyan mo pa ng charcoal yung mukha?
Kulang ba? Gusto mong eyebrow? Buti na lang.
Akala ko nagmi-makeup ka eh. Pupuntahan ko pa sana eh.
Hi! Ayaw ko yung Uber ko sa'yo? Pwede na si Florence.
Oh, Florence.
Maganda siya.
Hindi pa yan tapos eh. Hindi pa yan tapos eh.
Kulang pa!
Oh, ito Florence, hawakan mo. Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan lang.
Lagay mo pa to. Kala ko yung apoy ba ang magluluto hindi yung charcoal.
Fire! There's a fire inside.
Oh, yes, there's a fire.
Oh, bakit ito na kamote?
Ganyan talaga. Oh, nasunog na yung kamote, sunog na. Ayaw kong kainin yan.
Balatan mo. Hindi yan sunog.
Hindi. Talagang ganyan. Sarap yung talagang ganyan ba? It's sunog already. Look, look. It really don't know. It's just like charcoal already. Merry Christmas. What are you doing there? Lauren?
Oh, nothing.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Your face.
Merry Christmas. No need, it's okay. It's already there. You can put the other one. You can put.
Uy, i-kabel yung gamin na namin data.
I'm putting that. Really? Yeah. Because look, it cannot reach the height. Remove the kamote.
Inupang gitna.
Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Remove first the kamote before throwing that one.
You see, this here is malambot. Ay, the eyebrow.
Put it on.
1, 2,
Pag yung picture sumabog yan ay
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, even the plastic, put it in.
wag, smelly. I don't like.
You don't love the environment. No, I love it.
Ano ba yung mga pinaggagawa nyo?
Love me for what I am. The paper.